Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about save job on Indeed. Guys, if you've seen any job on Indeed and you don't have time to apply for that, then you can save any job and you can apply whenever you will be free. So first of all, you have to search for a job over here. Like if I go with the this suggestion, and here I will write the city where I want to see this job. For example, if I go with this job and I see this job and I am interested in this job, so and for now I don't have time to apply for it, but I will do when I'll be free. So what will we do? We have to go on this three dotted button and simply we have to click on it, and then the pop-up will appear on the screen, and here you will see save job. Just simply click on it, and as you can see guys, my job has been saved in my Indeed account, and I can apply for this job when I have time to complete all the formalities for this job. So guys, this is how to save job on Indeed. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.